Nearly 30% of Wisconsin's population has gotten at least a first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, and the amount of people who've completed their vaccine series is nearing 1 in 5. Here's a look at how those doses break down. Of the 2.7 million doses administered, 1.2 million are from Moderna, 55,000 from Johnson & Johnson, and 1.4 million from Pfizer. Good evening, I'm George Smith.
And I'm Amber Nagel. Those vaccinations should continue to grow rapidly as long as supply keeps up. Governor Evers is moving up the vaccine eligibility to everyone 16 and older in Wisconsin. It was May 1st, now it's Monday. Francisco Almenara was on the call when the governor and health officials made that announcement. He has you covered on the key takeaways tonight. Francisco?
Amber, DHS officials say this announcement comes as their confidence in the vaccine supply continues to grow. They say that because they continue to get notification from the federal government of a constantly increasing supply of vaccines and the return of a large amount of Johnson & Johnson vaccine, they were comfortable expanding the eligibility to everyone over the age of 16. Now they're expecting Pfizer and Moderna vaccine allocation to increase by 10 to 20,000 in the coming weeks, and the Johnson & Johnson by 35 to 70,000. However, just because everyone is now eligible doesn't mean they'll be able to start getting the vaccine next week. So they're asking people to be patient, as there's still people in previous eligibility groups who need to be prioritized.
Especially in our healthcare system, where they have relationships with these patients and they have data about these patients, I fully expect that healthcare providers will continue to prioritize people with chronic conditions first.
Now, Willems Van Dyke says that since people with pre-existing conditions have had 2 weeks to sign up for appointments, DHS hopes those people won't have to compete as much with the general public for the vaccines starting on Monday. With Wisconsin seeing both an increase in cases and the highest rate of second dose vaccinations in the country, officials say we can see the light at the end of the tunnel, so now is not the time to let up.